Good morning and welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive, based in near Preston. My name's Phil. Welcome. This morning we are delighted to be showing you this stunning BMW X3. It's the 2 litre, the 20D xDrive SE with some lovely options. Please refer to our website www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk. You'll see up to 100 photographs, all the specification details in the advert. If you've any questions at all, please feel free to drop us an email, a text, a telephone call, or through the social media platforms. This particular car was the launch colour, which is mineral silver with the black leather. Lovely looking car. Panoramic glass sunroof as well, electric, with the electric blind also. Full BMW service history. Just a lovely car. One local owner who we've purchased the vehicle from. Bought the car new from Bowker BMW in Preston. That's been regularly maintained and serviced with them as also. To show you in the back of the car. There's the pan roof. Go. It's all nice and clean, very well looked after. It's the blind covering the pan roof. The back of the car. All the door cards are lovely and clean. The leather's lovely throughout. Looks great with the white stitching as well. Onto the front. The auto lights and wipers, adjustable seating, just a little bit of colour needed there, that's all. Just jump in. Start the car up. There we go. 36,813 miles. Multifunction sports leather steering wheel as well, which is listed in the advert with all the other nice features. The heated seats for passenger and for driver. Satellite navigation also. Obviously, just to give you a real good feel to the car. As I say, the 100 photographs probably give you as much detail, if not a little bit more. Show you the roof, the blind. There we go. There we are. As I say, any further information, please refer to the website, philweaverautomotive.co.uk. Drop us a call on the landline or the mobile or the social media platforms. Thank you.